Baby bear, oh baby bear, come upstairs, it's time for bed.
Oh, do I have to? I'm not tired.
Yes, it's bedtime, come on up. We'll have a quick snuggle before you go to sleep.
Okay, Mama. I brush my teeth and use the potty. Let's snuggle.
Okay. Cuddle up together, baby's warm and snug. Cuddle up together and we'll hug, hug, hug. Cuddle up together, baby's warm and snug. Cuddle up together and we'll hug, hug, hug. Cuddle up together, baby's warm and snug. Cuddle up together and we'll hug, hug, hug. Good night, baby bear. Sleep tight. Mwah.
Mama! Mama! Ma, I can't sleep. Come here. I can't sleep.
Oh, baby bear. Maybe you need something to cuddle with. Let's see. How about your chipmunk? Will that do? Will you sleep then?
Yes, Mama. I think that'll help. Thank you.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Mama! I can't sleep. Come here. I can't sleep.
Oh, baby. Maybe. Oh, I know. We forgot your mouse. There you go. Here's your mouse.
Thanks, Mama. That'll help.
Okay. Good night, baby bear.
Thank you. Good night. Mama, I can't sleep. Come here. I can't sleep.
Oh, baby. Let me think. How about you snuggle with your chicken and your badger? Let's see. Here we go.
Yep. Chicken and badger. Perfect.
Yeah, okay. Here we go. Okay, snuggle in.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh, there we go. All right.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
Mama! I can't sleep. Come here. I can't sleep.
Oh, baby bear. Okay. Here, I've got your guinea pig. All right, so everybody scoot down a little bit. I need more. And your puppy. I know how much you love your puppy.
Okay.
There we go. And maybe one more. Maybe your possum. Yeah, you need your possum. There you go.
I think that'll help. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody's in.
Whew. Good night.
Hi, Mama. Mama! I can't sleep. Come here. I can't sleep.
Baby. All right. Who are we missing? We're missing Frog.
Oh, yeah, frog. That'll be great.
Oh.
Frog. Yep.
Oh, come on now, Frog. Oh. And how about maybe Rabbit? Oh, there. And okay, and Fox. Oh, geez, there we go. Okay,
Okay.
baby bear.
I'm ready.
Good
I
night.
can sleep now, Mama. Good night.
Okay,
Thank
good night.
you. Oh, I can't sleep. It's too crowded in here, Mama.
What?
Oh, there's too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10 in the bed is too many. I can't sleep. It's too crowded and I'm squished.
Well, baby, that is a problem you know how to solve. Do you remember the rhyme? There were 10 in the bed.
I do. Please say it with me. Let's clear out this bed.
Okay. There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said,
Roll over, roll over.
so they all rolled over and they all fell out. There was one in the bed, and baby bear said,
I'm sleepy. Thank you, Mama. Good night.
Good night, baby bear. Mwah.